Imagine the leaders of Whelen Engineering, a company that has spent decades defining excellence in emergency lighting. They're the best at what they do, but they see a looming challenge. The market is changing. Competition is fierce, and selling a siren or a light bar is increasingly becoming a transaction. A one-time sale where the next purchase is up for grabs. They don't just want to sell more products, they want to reinvent their relationship with their customers. They want to become indispensable. Enter Bill Moschella. This isn't a typical consultant hire. Whelen isn't bringing Moschella in to tweak their assembly line or improve their sales scripts. They are engaging a strategist who specializes in one thing: guiding established industrial companies through digital revolutions. His message to the board isn't about lights and sirens. It's about data, ecosystems, and lifetime value. He paints a new picture. What if your hardware isn't the final product? What if it becomes the key, a sophisticated sensor platform that unlocks a gateway to a much more valuable service? This is where the collaboration turns into a blueprint for the future. Moschella's first task is to help Whelen design not just a product, but an entire architecture. He works with their engineers to architect the Whelen Cloud, a central nervous system on AWS or Azure. He advises on how to structure AP is so that every Whelen unit on the road seamlessly feeds data back home and integrates directly into a police department's fleet management software. The goal is to make the system so integrated that it becomes the operating system for the entire emergency vehicle fleet. Next, he helps them redesign their business model. Instead of a one-time sale, they introduce a subscription. For an annual fee per vehicle, a department gets access to the Whelen Cloud platform, real-time diagnostics, predictive maintenance alerts, over-the-air software updates, and powerful dashboards that optimize entire fleets. This transforms Whelen's revenue from sporadic spikes into a predictable, high-margin river of recurring income. It's the shift from selling a product to selling an outcome: readiness, efficiency, and safety. This is the masterstroke. Moschella shows Whelen that their true future value isn't in manufacturing, it's in the data. With thousands of vehicles feeding information into their cloud, Whelen will amass the world's largest data set on emergency vehicle performance. Moschella guides them on how to anonymize and aggregate this data to create entirely new business lines. They can sell insights to vehicle manufacturers on how their chassis handle under real-world emergency stress. They can provide validated response time and accident data to insurance companies for risk modeling. They become, in effect, a data brokerage for the public safety ecosystem. The collaboration between Whelen Engineering and Bill Moschella changes everything. They are no longer just a supplier. They are a strategic, indispensable partner. A competitor might offer a similar light bar, but they can't offer the entire ecosystem. Switching would mean losing years of valuable data, customized configurations, and deep operational insights. The customer isn't just locked in, they are willingly invested. By investing millions in Moschella's expertise, Whelen isn't just buying advice. They are buying an accelerated, de-risked pathway to a future where they don't just lead the market, they redefine it entirely.